Hello, Callself13 here at youtube.com. Today, this video was actually dedicated to Iceman. I don't remember what numbers he had at the end of his name, but this PSP ain't mine, it's my brother's. But, I will show you how to disable your analog, the one I screwed up. Alright, do not turn off your PSP fully, because I do mine fully turned off, but I ain't doing it. Alright, what you do is you press select, and there's a thing that says, recovery menu, and you press X, and it goes into it, and it should say configuration. I think that one's it. No, not configuration. It's, no, not CPU. It's advanced, I think so. Yeah, it's in advanced. Go to advanced once you get in there, and go to block analog input in game, and enable that. So when you're playing the game, you just press circle. So when you play the games I gave you, like say for instance Liberty, you won't be able to use your analog anymore, so you can use your directional buttons. Now I'll show you living proof. Sorry about that little thing. I'll send you an email if you aren't watching this video. Alright, you know how you usually move with the analog, right? You won't be able to move with it now. Press on and up. Now, this is helpful though. You go to the controls and you go down to where it should say analog stick, and you just switch it to directional buttons. Press triangle. Now see, you can't change your weapons though. That's the only sucky thing. It won't let you change your weapons. But you could still use the ones you have though. Yeah, you move around with it. You could do the same things, but it's only with the analog. Or the directionals. Not the analog. Yeah. I'll give you a save game. Or you might already have one where you have all the weapons out here, and the ones you want that you want to have first, you just put that one there. Yeah, but this video, I will send you an email to recommend you to watch this video. Thanks for watching other people that have their analogs that are screwed up too, if you have custom firmware. If you don't watch my other video and you could download it, it's for PSP 3000 P5 and up, or P4, I don't know. It's Pro B, and it's downgrades your PSP firmware to 6.20, and it's a permanent patch. Just make sure you don't delete the little file.